Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss how to delete your Temu account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. So the first and foremost thing you need to do is scroll through your home page and click open your Temu app. Once your Temu app launches, it will boost itself and redirect you to its home page. So there you have to click on the profile icon on the below screen, which will then show you drop down menus. So from this you need to scroll down and click on the settings option. Once you are in the settings, you need to click on the account security, which will then show you another several drop down options where you can find delete your Temu account. Here you need to click on the dialog box and click on the continue. So once you do this, you need to click on the delete option and your account will be deleted from Temu. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.